Do your presentations look like this? Plain, boring, and unengaging? It's time to stop settling for mediocrity. Let's transform your presentations into something captivating and memorable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create visually appealing and engaging presentations that will capture your audience's attention. Let's get started. First, let's add some dynamic shapes to our slide. Go to the Insert tab and under Shapes, choose the hexagon. Click and drag to draw your hexagon on the slide. Next, copy the hexagon and paste it multiple times to create a pattern that you like. Arrange the hexagons as you wish to form a cohesive design. Once you're satisfied with the pattern, highlight all the hexagons by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Right-click and choose Group to group them together. This makes it easier to manage your design. Now, let's bring some life into our shapes. Right-click the grouped hexagons and select Format Shape. In the Format Shape pane, choose Picture or Texture Fill, then click Insert. You can now choose an image you like. For this example, I'll use a vibrant image of Tokyo. The image is now displayed within our hexagon pattern, adding a rich visual element to our slide. To communicate your message, insert a text box by going to the Insert tab and selecting Text Box. Choose a nice, legible font to write your headline. Repeat this step to add any descriptions or other text you need. Feel free to insert as many text boxes as necessary to present your information clearly. And there you have it, a visually engaging slide that will make your presentation stand out. By incorporating dynamic shapes, beautiful images, and clear text, you can transform a mundane presentation into something extraordinary. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on creating amazing presentations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Try these techniques in your next presentation and watch your audience's engagement soar. Happy presenting!